Hello students, good morning to all. Today we learn about exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3 and we learn about property of a triangle. We learn about property of a triangle. It is based on property of triangle or and property of triangle equal to property of triangle is sum of all sides, sum of all angles, sum of all angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. So in question first, so in question first, we are seeing angles of three angles of a triangle are shown in figure. So sum of all angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. We can write as angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A, that is X, angle B, that is 50 degree, angle C, that is 60 degree, equals to 180 degree. We know that 50 plus 60 equal to 110 degree, X plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree. So we can write as and 110 is plus sign, but transfer of this side it is a negative sign. So X equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree equal to 70 degree. So this is our first answer. Now let's on second question. In second question, given name as PQR, it is given PQR in this triangle. In this triangle, sum of property of a triangle is sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we can write as angle A plus angle B, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. This is a basic property of a triangle, and that is angle P equal to angle P equal to 30, angle P equal to 90 degree, angle Q equal to 30 degree, angle R equal to X. angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree, we can write as we can write as we can write as 90 degree plus 30 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. This is 90 plus 30 equal to 120 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, and 120 degree is in additive plus sign, but transfer of this side it is either negative side. So x equal to 180 minus 120 degree, x equal to 60 degree. So this is our second question answer. Let's solve third question. In third question, written as name of a triangle XYZ. Sum of property of a triangle is sum of all sides, sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to or equal to 180 degree. So we can write as angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to 180 degree, and angle x equal to 30 degree, angle y equal to 110 degree, and angle z equal to x equal to 180 degree. We know that 30 plus 110 degree equal to 140 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. This is 140 degree in plus sign, but transfer of this side it will be negative. So we can write as x equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree, x equal to 40 degree. So this is our third question answer. Let's about fourth question. It is just like as previous question. Sum of all angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. So we can write as angled name, not angled name given. So we can write ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. We can write as angle A equal to x, angle B equal to x, and angle C equal to 50 degree equals to 180 degree. So x plus x, x plus x, that is 2x. So we can write as 2x plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. This is 2x plus 50. 50 is an in plus sign, but transfer of this side it will be negative sign. So we can write as 2x equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. That is 180 minus 50. We know that 2x equal to 130 degree. So this is 2x. 2x, it is 2 into x. 2 multiplied by x, multiplied sign between 2 and x. So this is multiply, it will change in divide. 2 is multiplied, but transfer of this side it will be divide sign. So x equal to 130 upon 2. X equal to 2 divided by 130. 130 divided by 2 equal to 65. X equal to 65 degree. So it is our fourth question answer. Next question, fifth, we can solve. In question number 4th, we can write as, this is our fifth question. So fifth question, and it is just like previous question. It is sum of all side, all angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. So we can write as angle named as PQR, then angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree, and angle P x degree, angle Q x, angle R x, 180 degree. This is equal to all. So we can add x plus x plus x. It is x plus x plus x, that is 3x equal to 180 degree, and 3x, 3 into x, between 3 and x, 3 and x multiplied are involved. So this multiplied change in divide, we can write as when 3 is transferred from this side, we can write as divide. X equal to 180 degree divided by 3, divided by 3, 180 degree is 60 degree. So x equal to 60 degree, we can write as x equal to 60 degree. This is our fifth question answer. And let's on sixth question. Sixth question also be same as previous question. So sum of parallel side, sum of all the angles, sum of all the angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. This is, we can write as XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z, this is capital letter, equal to 180 degree. Angle X equal to 2x plus angle Y equal to 90 degree. This sine will be 90 degree plus angle Z equal to x equal to 180 degree. We can write as 2x plus x. It is both are added, so 2x plus x equal to 3x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree, and 90 degree plus sine, but when it transfer to this side, plus sign will change in negative sign. So we can write as 3x equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. We know that 180 degree minus 90 degree, we can write as 3x equal to 90 degree. This is 3x means 3 into x into will be hidden in both between. So multiply 3 is multiplied here, but transfer of this side it will changed and divide. So x equal to 90 divided by 3. 3 divides 90 equals to 30 degree. So x equal to 30 degree. This is our sixth question answer. So next question in second part. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel.